So I thought I'd have a go at using this 3D printer again, and I thought, well, maybe we can make a harness or a Visa mount for one of the TV boxes. So I thought, let's start with the MXQ box. Now, the MXQ box shares its shell with lots of different devices, including the V88, the MXQ Pro, and many others. So it'd be perfect, and if you want to give it a go, I shall leave the link in the description to where you can get the files from Thingiverse, and if you've got a 3D printer, you can go right ahead and try this yourself. So, the actual file, when loaded up in Cura, needs converted to G-code. That is what the ANET A8 uses to actually print the file. So we need to convert it over from STL. Now, when I proceed and try to save it into G-code, it's given me the information that it's going to take about 6 hours to print this out. That's way too long. So let's knock that up a bit and let's get that time down to more like an hour, I should think. Although I suspect things are going to go horribly, horribly wrong. It's going to print way too fast for this actual piece, and it's just going to look a mess. But anyway, we're going to give it a go anyway, so let's crack on and let's see what happens. So when loading up my ANET A8 for the first time, I managed to destroy the fan. The fan just exploded when I tried to actually put my filament back in. I must have clipped it with a screwdriver or something, but there we go. I've totally destroyed one of my fans, but apparently you don't really need it. It doesn't seem to be doing much cooling at all. There is another fan there directed at the 3D printer head, and this fan here doesn't seem to do much. But anyway, let's proceed on and let's get printing. So this ANET A8 printer is a 3D printer from GearBest, and I've reviewed this a couple of weeks ago, and I've done a couple of different videos on this, and it's quite a decent 3D printer. Look, it's really cheap as well, but there is a couple of issues that come along with it. The power supply is a bit dodgy. A lot of people do say replace it. As well as that, it needs a lot of different modifications. Not something I've gone into or tried just yet, but I suspect they do need to be done, because especially where the calibration is concerned, this 3D printer is a pain to calibrate, and getting it just right, takes ages. So it is just about finished printing. However,
yeah, that's one fine looking barbecue pit. Why doesn't mine look like that?
as if at first you don't succeed, just use some tape. Look, I know, it's utter rubbish, and I should have just left it alone and spent the 6 hours printing this thing. I get it, I understand, I'm an idiot, but there we go, we've done it anyway, and it's kind of turned out alright, but not really. It's a horrible, horrible mess. So we're going to try and print it again, but not in this video, probably some for another video. I suppose that's just some other files I'm interested in printing out. There's a case for the X96 Mini. I do like that box. It's a very neat little box. And there's some cases for it. I'm not entirely sure what purpose they will serve. Maybe to just another Visa mount for it. But anyway, that's for another video. That's for another time. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give you a bit of insight into Visa mounts for your TV box. If you're interested, I shall leave the links in the description where you can actually download them. You just need to convert them over to G-code if you've got a printer like mine, or STL files. It really does depend on which 3D printer you have. Anyway, my name is Matthew, and you've been watching another video by the MXQproject. Thanks again for watching, and we shall see you very soon.
I think he's almost done. Yeah, he's done.